Did you guys know that there are over 26 bones, over 30 joints, and more than 100 muscles, tendons, ligaments, what? In the foot. It's crazy, right? And we don't oftentimes give it enough love. This foot, this thing that we jam inside a shoe, and it just sits there throughout the day. Nah, we gotta show that baby some love. We wanna keep in mind that even the bottom of that foot, the tissue, the fascia, the muscles, just like our shoulders and hips, sometimes it not only needs to be warmed up, meaning there's maybe some things you can do before your workouts in the morning if you're working out early, as your body temperature hasn't increased yet, or to relax a little bit more throughout the day. So what I want you guys to do, easiest thing, I'm gonna link you guys here below on Amazon, so you can just go buy one right now. You need to get yourself either a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball based upon how much pain you normally like to have. So the easy thing that you can do without really even thinking too much is just roll the bottom of your foot. But for the bottom of our feet, I'm down in a kneeling position, which actually is a little bit more challenging than if I'm standing and I'm just kind of able to lightly control the weight in the foot. As you want to just think about rolling front to back initially, because that's the direction that tissue runs, our plantar fascia. Hopefully none of you guys have had plantar fasciitis in the past, but if you have, it is awful. It's awful. Starting light with something like a tennis ball is great because it's going to have more give. A lacrosse ball, it's going to be a little bit mean. Even just a couple minutes, a minute or two prior to working out, you know, if you're sitting at an office at a desk throughout the day, great thing that you can do, pop those shoes off, give yourself a little bit of love. Spend just a minute, 2 minutes on each foot, get up, move around again, and it's gonna feel like a new body. I'll give you guys the hack behind this. Our feet, just like our hands, all right, although I don't have pretty ones, they're super rich in sensory receptors. This is our contact with the earth. So we get so much information coming up through those feet. Not only is it going to allow us to feel good, maybe it's going to help with other things like hip and back pain, because all those tissues are connected, and a little bit of myofascial release with that lacrosse ball is going to lengthen some of that, but it's also going to wake up some of that nervous system, right? If you guys have ever gone and gotten a nice foot massage at one of the foot spas, that's kind of what we're doing here. Hey, it may not feel quite as good, but this is a lot easier and a lot less expensive for you to get done day to day. So show those feet some love. Guys, leave me some comments here as well. And don't forget, jump on Amazon, get you a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball now so those feet can perform their best.